Now would be a good time to get a better understanding of the coronavirus. With the possible spreading of the virus from person to person, it has become very clear that we are doing the best we can with understanding the things we need to understand to help us in the fight against the virus. We will go over 15 products that you can use to help you disinfect your home and give you a fighting chance to fight the virus. Number 1 is Clorox Healthcare Bleach Germicidal Cleaner, 32 fluid ounce, pack of 2. Clorox Healthcare Bleach Germicidal Cleaner is good for bactericidal, virucidal, fungicidal, sporicidal. It meets OSHA bloodborne pathogens standards and it can help by reducing cross-contamination between treated surfaces. It is EPA registered and can kill a total of 50 microorganisms. The EPA number is 56392-7. Number 2 is Lysol Kitchen Pro Antibacterial Cleaner Trigger, orange, 22 ounces by Reckitt Benckiser. At the time of making this video, this product seems to be sold out at the time on Amazon. But I will include the link below. Product kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including Salmonella and E. coli. The EPA number is 777-91. Number 3 is PeridoxRTU Sporicidal Disinfect 32 ounces CS6 by Contec Inc. This one is very expensive. PeridoxRTU is a broad spectrum and is EPA registered. It is good for sporicide, bactericide, virucide, tuberculoside, and fungicide. It's a one-step disinfectant and hard surface cleaner that disinfects within 3 minutes. Sporicide claims a 99.9999% efficacy. EPA number is 8383-13. Number 4 is Contec Sporicidin Disinfectant Solution 1 gallon by Contec Inc. Contec Sporicidin cleans and disinfects in one step. It provides that it will kill up to 100% of disease and odor-causing organisms. Sporicidin has been used in hospital, medical and dental environments since 1978 and provides 100% kill of disease and odor-causing organisms. The EPA number is 8383-3. Number 5 is Performacide Mold and Mildew Eliminator Disinfectant, Sanitizer and Deodorizer by Odorstar, LLC. Performacide will disinfect, sanitize and deodorize. It good for tuberculoside, virucide, fungicide, algicide and slimicide. Performacide helps disinfects coronavirus, norovirus, influenza A, E. coli, MRSA, staph, salmonella, rhinovirus, mold, and mildew. The EPA number is 87508-3. Number 6 is PDP Sani-Cloth Plus Large 6, x 6.75 pkg, 160 by Professional Disposables International Inc. PDP Sani-Cloth shows on the EPA website to help with the human coronavirus. At the time of the making of this video, the product seems to be sold out on Amazon. I will still provide a link below. The EPA number is 9480-5. Number 7 is Wexford Labs Bottle 32 ounces, 32-128 by Wexford Labs Inc. This is a product that is used in most hospitals. But it is a good disinfect for the coronavirus. At the time of this post, it was sold out on Walmart's website. The EPA number is 34810-31. Number 8 is Cavicide by Metrex Research. Although this is a janitorial disinfectant, this is a good alternative to bleach. The EPA number is 46781-6. Number 9 is Clorox Splash Less Liquid Bleach, regular, 55-ounce bottle by Clorox Bleach. According to cdc.gov, if bleach is diluted correctly, it should help disinfect surfaces against coronavirus. cdc.gov says, for disinfection, diluted household bleach solutions, alcohol solutions with at least 70% alcohol, and most common EPA-registered household disinfectants should be effective. Prepare a bleach solution by mixing 5 tablespoons, 1/3 road cup bleach per gallon of water or 4 teaspoons bleach per quart of water. EPA number is 5813-50. Number 10 is Discide Ultra Disinfecting Towelettes by Palermo Healthcare LLC. The product is considered towelettes, which are disinfected wipes. The product is listed under the EPA number 10492-4. This product should help with disinfecting surfaces. Number 11 is Kenisol Alpha Tech Pet Cleaner by Alpha Tech Pet Inc. Guaranteed effective against viruses, bacteria, fungi, even canine parvovirus. Kenisol is an ideal sanitizer disinfectant, pet cleaning product and kennel deodorizer for professional animal care and pet owners. Wherever animal debris, germs, and dander are present, Kenisol makes it easy to kill off pathogens with several germicidal ingredients, making it your only broad-spectrum, animal-safe disinfectant needed. EPA number is 62472-2. Number 12 is Micro Scientific MSIMOCW001 Metal Wall Bracket for Opticide Wipe Canister. These WIPS are good for bactericidal, fungicidal, virucidal. The moment you open them, they are ready to use. This product comes in a bundle package on Amazon. The EPA numbers are 70144-4 and 70144-5. Number 13 is Lysol All-Purpose Cleaner Spray 32 ounces by Lysol. Lemon Breeze. Product is convenient, ready to use. Trigger spray cuts through tough grease and grime. The EPA number is 777-66. Number 14 is Home Armor Mold Armor Instant Mold and Mildew Stain Remover 32 ounces by WM Bar & Company Incorporated. Instant mold and mildew stain remover is ideal on tile, grout, tubs, toilets, fiberglass, shower doors, vinyl curtains, counters, sinks and more. Also helps in disinfecting coronavirus. The EPA number is 4091-23. And the last one is not a disinfect, but you will need some gloves. Amex X3 Industrial Blue Nitrile Gloves. Amex X3 gloves are industrial-grade nitrile gloves and offers excellent elasticity, puncture resistance, and chemical resistance. Nitrile delivers a comfort level rivaling that of latex. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to know more about any of these products, click the links that are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.